आज मैं क्लास 5 के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए उनके बुक में जो मैंने चैप्टर 2 पढ़ाया था इससे पहले, चैप्टर 2 के बाकी हिस्सा जो पार्ट 2 है, आज मैं वो बतलाने जा रहा हूँ। माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, जैसा कि मैं आपको बता चुका हूँ, दिस इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी एंड आई होप यू विल लिसन अटेंटिवली द स्टोरी ऑफ 4 पुपेट्स। मैंने आपको बताया था कि एक पुपेट मेकर का एक पुत्र था और उसने 4 बड़े ही गुणवान कठपुतलियों को बनाया था, लेकिन उसके बेटे मनोज को he was not left his home and went aside to search a job. But while he was going ahead, his father had given him 4 virtuous puppets. All 4 puppets had different type of virtues. At first night, Manoj stayed in an open area under a banyan tree at night, but he was very suspicious that may it be dangerous for him or not. So he asked the first puppet, the king of gods, that if it will be a suitable place for him to stay at night. When he asked it, the first puppet, the king of god, became alive and appeared in front of him and answered him if he wanted to stay there, he must use to keep his eyes and his ears open. And after telling it, he again changed into a puppet and hanged in the bamboo pole. Manoj started to watch, and he found on the sand, on the dust under the banyan tree, he found the footprints of tiger. So he decided to stay or pass the night on the branch of the tree, and he did so. But at midnight he saw a dangerous, powerful, strong bodies. Tiger was moving under the shade of the banyan tree. Next day morning, he again started his journey, and he reached on the top of the big hill. When he reached on the top of the hill, he stayed there at the hill. He stayed the next night on the top of the next day took Manoj into the mountain, and at sunset he left the road and camped on a little way up the mountain side. When he woke the next morning, he saw a caravan. It means a group of bullock carts. A caravan coming along the road below the hill. A dozen bullock carts were piled with high and costly goods. दूसरे दिन मॉर्निंग में जब उसकी नींद खुली तो उसने क्या देखा कि सड़क पर एक लंबा सा काफिला चला जा रहा था। उस काफिले में बहुत सारी बैलगाड़ी थे और हर बैलगाड़ी में कीमती वस्तुओं से लदी हुई थी सारी बैलगाड़ियां। और उतने अधिक धन संपत्ति से भरे हुए कारवां को जाते हुए जब उसने देखा तो उसके मन में a wish appeared in his mind that if he were the master of all these things. इसको ऐसा सोचने के बाद he at once asked the question to the second puppet who was an ogre, the giant. He asked him that how can he maybe the owner of such a heap of wealth. That caravan must belong to some rich merchant. Manoj told himself, I wish I had wealth like that. Then he had thought, he turned to the green-faced ogre and tell me, how can I gain such a wealth? He asked him. Manoj watched Manoj watched in wonder as the puppet left the pole and grew to life size. If you have strength, the puppet answered him, if he had a strength, he can be such a wealthy man in his life. Become the augury. You can take whatever you like when this you have. He stamped his foot and the earth shook. उस बलिष्ठ शरीर वाले उस दैत्य ने उससे कहा मनोज से कि अगर तुम्हारे शरीर में ताकत है, अगर तुम बलवान हो, ताकत हो, तो ये सारी दौलत तुम्हारी हो सकती है. मे बी इट इज योर. एंड आफ्टर टेलिंग दिस he stumped his one leg on the earth with a full power, and the earth started to tremble. The earth started to shake. And after the trembling, wait, said Manoj. मनोज ने कहा रुको रुको, थोड़ा रुको. लेकिन तब तक लेट हो चुका था और उस दैत्य ने अपने पैर को जमीन पर पटक दिया. That it was too late. Just below them, dirt and rocks broke loose in the landslide. It rushed down the mountain and blocked the road. The terrified drivers jumped from their cars and ran off. उस दैत्य के कस के पैर पटकने के कारण पहाड़ से बड़े बड़े पत्थर के टुकड़े जमीन पर लुढ़क करके चले गए और बहुत भारी आंधी आ गई, तूफान आ गया और पत्थरों के पहाड़ से लुढ़क करके गिर जाने के कारण वो रास्ता ब्लॉक हो गया, रास्ता बंद हो गया. और इस दृश्य को देखने के बाद उस काफिले में जितने भी बैलगाड़ी के ड्राइवर जो थे, जो हैकमैन जो था, वो सब अपने अपने बैलगाड़ियों को वहीं पर उसी स्थिति में सड़क पर छोड़ करके सभी अपने जान बचाने के लिए वहां से भाग खड़े हुए और वो सारा बैलगाड़ी धन दौलत से भरा हुआ सारा बैलगाड़ी वहीं रह गया. ने कहा देखा तुमने, इज इट रियली दैट इजी? हाँ, तुम जो कहा तो बिल्कुल सही है. सेड मनोज, इट इज ए डेज एंड he hurried down to the carts. वह तेजी से उन बैलगाड़ियों के पास चलता हुआ पहुंचा and rushed from one another, और एक दूसरे से एक गाड़ी से दूसरे गाड़ी के पास पहुंचा. Gathered everything at the heaps of the rich fabrics and piles of precious stones and metals, and all is mine, he cried. और उसने चिल्ला करके कहा ये सारी दौलत मेरी है. तो my dear students, this was the second part of this story. We shall again study the third part of this story again in the next class. Have a nice day.